A little bit lower chance for development. Yeah, Hurricane Center lowered it a little bit yesterday and continued to hold steady at about a 60% chance of development for this tropical wave overnight last night and into the early morning hours. We got a few things out here. By the way, Hurricane Center just circled this little disturbance here, this little area of low pressure just south of Louisiana. Only a 10% chance for development. Looks like it could move over into Texas over the next couple of days. And also Gaston still way out there, a tropical storm that could strengthen again into a hurricane, but it's going to keep moving up to the north and not bother anybody here. So we'll refocus on this tropical wave here. I do want to show you quickly. It's the latest track on Gaston. Winds at 65. It could become a Category 2 hurricane, actually, maybe even a Category 3 as it travels out into the open ocean there. So the latest on this tropical wave. The only real center swirl that could be found is right around in this area here, north of eastern Cuba, north of western Hispaniola yesterday. So as we take a look at the computer models, that's where they're starting. They're initiating right in this area here and continuing up to the north. Now, this is very typical of a weaker system. And that's what we have right now. Very disorganized tropical wave. Hasn't gotten itself together yet, and therefore it will take on more of a west-northwesterly push. If it was stronger, it would move a little more north, but because it's still very weak, it looks like it's going to move west-northwest, which takes it through the Florida Straits or right along the southern tip of Florida and then up into the Gulf of Mexico here over the next 4 to 5 days. Now, there will be a chance for some development as it gets down in here. The water is extremely warm down around the Florida Straits, north of Cuba, and right along the eastern Gulf of Mexico. Water temperatures are in the upper 80s and low 90s, so that's a lot of fuel for something to get going. For us, we expect to see an uptick in showers and thunderstorms and gusty winds from that tropical wave, even if it doesn't develop, by the time we get to Saturday night and early Sunday, and then pretty much through the entire day on Sunday. We had some rainfall around this morning. This is unrelated to that tropical wave moving through Boca right now and Highland Beach, a little thunderstorm there. We have some thunderstorms out west of the lake. Relatively quiet everywhere else, but we do have some rainfall that's about to move in along the Treasure Coast. And I think the rain chances this morning will hang at around 40% or so, but I think they're going to pick up to about 60 to 70% this afternoon, with more showers and thunderstorms moving in during the afternoon hours. And a few storms could be strong, and some of that rainfall could be heavy as we get into the afternoon hours. So here's a look at the forecast. 70% chance for rain today. Tiny little dip in rain chances tomorrow, but still some rainfall around. And then on Sunday, mainly Sunday, but even into Monday, that tropical wave starts sending showers and thunderstorms our way, starting as early as Saturday night. So we're going to see a windy day Sunday. We're going to see some showers and thunderstorms sweeping through the area, a few strong storms possible. Monday could also be a little bit on the wet side, and then rain chances hanging around 60% on Tuesday and around 50% Wednesday and Thursday.